crispy pork in general, I think, is a special dish. I mean, people love it, I think, all over the world. Mainly because crunch of the skin is the flavor of the pork, and it's layers of fat meat. But once it's done right, with the right marinade, and cooked to the right texture, it's hard to beat. It is delicious. Basic recipe is simply salt and 5-spice powder. Yeah, you marinate the pork, you put some slits in the meat side of the belly, and you just sprinkle your 5-spice powder and your salt, and you rub it in. Some people put a little bit of oil to get it into the meat, and that's the basic marinade. And mine is a little more complex. And you'd have to pay me to give you that recipe. And you can hear the, that's what it should sound like, you know. I love to also get my pork to be tender as well, which means you have to be patient with it, and you have to slow cook it in the oven. I mean, this was cooked for about, I did 2 of these, 2 hours in my regular oven. And that way the fat layers are rendered, and there's less of the fat content, you know. And also, of course, if you take your time and do it, the meat will also become very tender as well. I've had good pork in many places where the taste is nice, but just not tender enough for my liking. Or the skin might be crispy enough throughout. You might get patches where it's kind of rubbery, and some places are nice. And you gotta just take your time with it and just, you know, do the research. And of course, I do my own ginger scallion sauce, which when combined with that, it's done deal.